So something that I'm missing right now with my car is the car is inherently tied to who I am as a person. A lot of times the car is an expression of our personalities, our wealth. We don't have an option to do that if we're just walking and wearing our clothes. I guess you could wear nicer clothes, but how are you going to tell the world that you're saving it if you're not driving a Tesla? And how do you tell the world that you've never been hugged and you're proud of it if you're not driving a lifted truck?